everyone, welcome to Spring Willows. It's Willow, and today we're going to be adding too much ingredients into slime, so let's get started. So the first one here is baby oil, and I added in a total of 2 teaspoons by half teaspoons. And here I left in the mixing clip because it was just so interesting how, like, it was just a weird consistency. Here is the finished product. Here it's actually was really glossy, and here I am trying to show you, but and then I colored it Papal, Safari reference. And then I colored it green, so it looks really ugly, but here it is, and it's not really glossy in this clip, just because I didn't let it sit for long enough, but whatever, you know. And the next here is shaving cream. So right now I'm coloring the slime and adding a bit too much. But this is what turned out to be a really pretty blue. And here I'm adding some shaving cream. This part is so satisfying. And here is the end product. For some reason, the background is kind of like pink in this thing. It's supposed to be lavender, but maybe it's just the color of the slime that's making it pink, but, you know. And here's the end product. It shrunk so much. Here's a 2 ounce of it, and originally in the last clip it was 8 ounces. But here it's actually really glossy. It's super breaky, which is to be expected with shaving cream because it has extra activator in it. But still, I felt like this color was still really pretty.
This is horrible.
Oh no. Gotta love when a slime gets something in it. And the next one is too much water, and there's no volume in this clip because my mom decided it was a good idea to make noise while I filmed. But anyhow, I just filled the bowl with water here, and then I put it in the microwave and stirred it. And then I stirred and stirred and stirred until the water became one with the glue, or the slime if you will. So it was basically a very watery, clear glue texture. And it was still sticky. Then I activated it and let it sit, and then activated it and let it sit in an hour increments, and that took a lot of time. But here is kind of a finished product, and I was too lazy to put up my setup, and so that's why it looks horrible right here. It's so jiggly! And then here's the end product of this slime. I actually ended up adding more water, and then I had to let it sit for like a week to get it to go here, and it shrunk like to half the size, but it's still a nice consistency. this next one is lotion.
What did I just hear?
Okay, to business. So here I'm adding like 5,000 pumps of lotion, and not exactly 5,000 pumps, but I don't really like the smell of this, but so then I just decided, since it was taking so long, to just open up the cap and pour in, and then it started farting, so, and then I decided it was a good idea to go.
I must be.
Yep.
Choices.
The lovely aroma. See here. Here I'm trying to capture how glossy it is.
What the heck? Okay, now to acne.
So here I thought, you know, it's activating normally. In fact, it's activating better because there isn't a bunch of strings in it that make it clumpy. Oh, what is this? This is like thinner than a thin. Thinner than a thin. Thinner than a thin. Shh, just hang on. Silence, please. Look in the book. Use a thimble.
A few moments later.
Oh, this feels like cornstarch glue all. Yum is right. Okay, I've been filming for like 4 minutes. But then I tried my best to salvage it and it just did not work.
Oh my gosh,
I was super sad about that. But then eventually, here I just tried to throw in a bunch of activator and it just made it worse. Okay, here I'm like, what? Yeah. Here I'm like, okay, this is way too thin.
What is wrong with this slime? No.
So, here I am, washing my hands with a slime lid stuck to my leggings.
It's a fail, people. Don't try this at home.
And then here I had to dump it out in the grass. And, you know, so the next one here is paint. And so I put some glue in and some paint. And it was, I needed to shake it up. So then here I put in way too much.
That was way too much.
And here I'm stirring it. Oh my god, what the heck? This is still recording. And here is the end product, and it's super sticky, and it's leaving a paint residue on my hands, but, you know, whatever. And look at that. I mean, just look. And here's the finished end product. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I will try my best to be uploading on Wednesdays and Sundays at 5 o'clock p.m. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!